What if managing your cloud server could be faster, simpler, and more cost-effective than what you've always known with cPanel? For years, cPanel has been the go-to control panel, but in a world shifting toward cloud-first solutions, it feels heavy, outdated, and costly. That's where CloudPanel comes in, a modern alternative designed specifically for cloud servers and VPS. At its core, CloudPanel was built for speed and efficiency. Unlike traditional panels, it doesn't weigh down your server with unnecessary processes. It's lightweight and highly optimized, giving you blazing fast performance that translates into quicker websites and smoother operations. For developers and businesses alike, that means better uptime and happier users. Then there's the cost factor. cPanel licensing fees have climbed in recent years, creating a burden for startups, small businesses, and even hosting providers. CloudPanel, on the other hand, offers a free solution that rivals premium products. Imagine reducing overhead costs while still having access to modern server management tools. Suddenly, growth becomes easier to scale. CloudPanel also embraces the future of infrastructure. It supports the world's most popular cloud providers, from AWS and Google Cloud to DigitalOcean and beyond. Its interface is clean, intuitive, and mobile-friendly, which means you can manage your VPS from anywhere without diving into confusing dashboards or endless menus. Security is another area where CloudPanel shines. Built-in features like automated SSL certificates, robust firewalls, and secure user management keep your environments protected without requiring extra plugins or complicated configurations. For educators, entrepreneurs, and developers, it's peace of mind that your data and projects are safe. But perhaps the most underrated advantage is flexibility. CloudPanel isn't just about managing websites, it allows you to control multiple projects, apps, and environments with ease. Whether you're running WordPress sites, SaaS applications, or testing environments, the panel adapts to your needs with minimal friction. So, why use CloudPanel over cPanel? Because it's built for today's challenges, not yesterday's. It's modern, fast, free, and tailored for the way we use cloud infrastructure now. If you're searching for a control panel that empowers rather than limits, CloudPanel is the smarter choice. The real question is, would you switch to CloudPanel and experience a lighter, faster, and more affordable way of managing your servers?